Kaprekers constant. Kaprekers constant. Six 174 is Kaprekers constant. The nature of this Kaprekers constant is out of 4 digit, take 2 digit big number. 76 is the big number out of 4 number. Remaining 4 1 minus subtract reverse number 1 4 6 7. We get same 617 now. 6174. This is Kaprekers constant. Here 7 6 4 1 minus 1 4 6 7. 11 minus 7 4 3 13 minus 6 7 5 minus 4 1. Here 7 minus 1 6. This is Kaprekers constant. Try yourself 3 digit Kaprekers constant and fold another 4 Kaprekers constant. 3 digit Kaprekers constant and 4 digit Kaprekers constant. Try yourself. Thank you.